She put the ball. Look at that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Push it. Uh-oh, are you stuck? Do you need Mama to help you? There we go. Okay. She's stuck again. No, she got it. Oop. Oop. What's wrong? Did you get stuck? You need to turn it around? Can you do it? You need to turn your car around? Here we go. Ready? Here we go. Come on back this way. Oh, it's stuck again. Well, you almost got the whole turning down, but not quite, huh? Okay, okay. Come on. Get going. There she goes. Say hi, Nana. Oh, are you mad? She's stuck again. Playing the piano? Come here. Here you go. There you go. I fixed it. Oh, get the movies out. Maddie. Maddie. Say bye-bye. Maddie. There is no toy in the world that's more fun for a baby than movies.